Who wants that cash cash? I want those cash and cash equivalents. Here's a section on some assets. We've got a bunch of assets that are broken out into different chapters. Cash, inventory, PPE, all that good stuff. But today we're focusing on cash and cash equivalents. Let's jump right in. Some objectives that we have provided by the AICPA and us here. We want to calculate the cash and cash equivalent balances to be reported in the financial statements. That's going to include being able to identify primarily what is considered a cash equivalent. Do we consider bars of gold cash equivalents? Do we consider separate bank accounts cash equivalents? The answer for the CPA exam pretty much going to be yes. If you can consider it cash, if it can be turned into cash within 30 days, pretty much the answer is yes. In reality, this can be much different in the real world with some actual corporate accounting practices. However, we are talking theoretical AICPA objectives today. We want to be able to reconcile the cash balance per the bank statement to the general ledger. This is definitely a little more of the application based, and primarily what you'll see here is a bank rec. So bank to book, book to bank. I'm sure a lot of you, if you've worked in the financial accounting world, you've done a bank rec, you've done cash recs before. So that is what the primary sim from this section would be. And that's what we're going to see here. So investigate unreconciled cash balances to determine whether an adjustment to the general ledger is necessary. We're never really going to touch a general ledger here in any of the sections in the FAR exam. However, that's what you're pulling the information from. That's where you're getting it from, and you're accounting for it here. So that's the real world application. Let's jump into some educational application and get started.